Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. So, if you have any mathematical query, doubts, or anything, you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp it, or you can WhatsApp on its number. Okay. So, if you have any other queries, so you can mail also to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay, so then it will be beneficial for you. That means beneficial for your upcoming preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI entrances, and various any other mathematical or rather very general examinations also. So please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that let A, which is equals to 3 1, B 4 3, C 4 4 be 3 points in the coordinate plane with origin O. Let D be an arbitrary point. Okay, on the line segment OC, what is the largest possible area of triangle ABD? There are four options here, which are half, 1, 5 by 2 and 5. Okay, so let us think about this, or let me, okay, yeah. So firstly, we are going to see the triangle ABC. That means then we have to find the sides of the ABC, which are AB, AC, and BC. Okay, so as we got our B equals to 4 comma 3 and C equals to 4 comma 4. From this we can say that X equals to 4 is a is some segment of the line segment BC is a subsegment of our X equals to 4. Okay. So now for our A equals to 3 comma 1 and for my B 4 comma 3, what will happen? We know that our equation will be in this form. This is a general equation of straight line, so we have to put these values. Then after putting it, our m will be what? M will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That will be our 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 3, so that will be 2. Okay. So after putting the values, we will get y minus 1 equals to 2x minus 3. So that will be y equals to 2x minus 5b. Then our AB is a segment of this line. That means y equals to 2x minus 5. So now we are going to see our AC. That means our A is what? Our A is 3 comma 1 and our C is 4 comma 4. Then what will be the joining line of it? So our MB y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, then it will be what? 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 3. So that will be 4. Okay. So now we got y minus 1, that is equals to 3 into x minus, sorry, that will be 3. Okay, 3 into x minus 3. So that will be y equals to 3x minus 8. So AC is a segment of this straight line. So how will our ABC will look like? Okay, our y equals to 2x minus 5 is the blue line here. We can easily see that, and this point is my 4 comma 3. Okay, and our green line is x equals to 4, which is here. So this is our 4 comma 3, and that will be my 4 comma 4. Okay, so our 3 comma 1 is here. So and our 4 comma 4 is here. So our red line is y equals to 3x minus 8. Then we got this thing. Okay, so this is our triangle ABC. Okay, so after that, what can be done here? Yeah. So the height D, so the height is D maximized when our D is at the highest point on OC, that means which our point C, which is 4 comma 4. So the base of the triangle ABD will be what? Base of the triangle ABD is A mod AB, that means the length of AB will be root over of 4 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square, that is equals to 1 plus 4, that will be root 5. However, since the base is not an integer, we can use the Soles formula or the determinant formula to find the area. Okay, so our area will be half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Yeah. So let us put the values, then we will get our x1 will be 3. So we have to keep mod here. Okay. So that will be 3 into 3 minus 4 plus that will be 4 into 4 minus 1 plus that will be 4 into 1 minus 3. Okay. Yeah. So after that, what will we get? So we will get our half into, that will be 3 into minus 1 plus that will be 4 into 3 plus that will be 4 into minus 2. So we will get half mod, there will be minus 3 plus 12 minus 8. So our half into mod of 11, 12 minus 11, so that is half. So our maximized area will be half, which is our option A. Okay, again I am telling that our correct option of this question is option A. Okay, again I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us via this contact details so we can arrange classes for you, doubt classes and many other things, so you can enjoy all the services if you contact us via this contact details. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.